Hello and welcome to another update video about SEI. Yeah, SEI doesn't look too bad actually. SEI obviously formed this flat structure in an extended way for this WXY pattern. We discussed it in previous updates, especially in yesterday's update. So we had this WXY pattern. The Y wave probably bottomed there on the 5th of March, which was our strong sell-off that we had in the market, but most of these, most coins losses were bought up very quickly, and we are moving up currently, as per the previous updates, in what I would count wave 5 of a larger degree third wave. So there are two counts. I added a new one today as an alternative, which is a little bit more bullish, but allows, first of all, for a bit of a deeper pullback. So we're going to talk about them both now. Yesterday, I explained to you that a break above this trend line could indeed increase the upside momentum. Yesterday's update, when I made the video, the price was still consolidating below the trend line, this descending trend line. But the assumption was already that wave 4 could have bottomed, that a move above the trend line would increase upside momentum. Well, it surely did, and we had quite some strong momentum there to the upside. So the question is now, which count is it? What's the microstructure? I can see possibly two interpretations that make sense here. In the first interpretation, we are forming a 5-wave pattern as an impulse, and we have down here a 1-2-1-2 setup, wave 3, 4, 5 of larger 3, then another 4, and the wave 5 here could have started already. I presented members earlier today with this support zone, this kind of small trend reversal area. The price already dipped into it and is trying to reverse. It takes a break above the last high at around about 96 cents to suggest that this fifth wave is unfolding, and ideally this fifth wave breaks above the previous high. And ideally, we get to $1.07 in the yellow count, maybe higher, but if it's the yellow count, I mean, wave 5 would already be quite extended if it gets to $1.07. Or actually, it would be, I think, okay. Yeah. We can also calculate the smaller degree targets and take the length of waves 1 to 3. Yeah, okay, no, so it could even get to around about $1.12. So that's all fine. I mean, in the yellow count, the wave 5 might have started, and we could get just one more high, and we would complete the larger degree third wave, and then a larger degree fourth wave pullback would start, and we might see another pullback into the region of the previous wave 4. So quite a lot of sideways action here. In the other interpretation, which is the white count that's new, we're dealing with a slightly different, more bullish structure, however. The problem I have is that the move up can already be counted as a 5-wave move if I consider this as a diagonal pattern. In an impulse, we get one more high. So that means, how can we distinguish between these two counts? Well, the white count would be my preference if we see a break below 81 cents, because below 81 cents, I have to rule out another high. So that means I would have to consider that we already topped in 5 waves in white wave 1 of the larger fifth wave. And then we could allow for a deeper pullback in white wave 2, possibly into the region between 67 and 76 cents. And from here, a third of a third wave might start. Then we could get a 4 and a 5. And this might reach the area around $1.30 plus. Okay. But I can really only confirm that if we see a deeper pullback and then the price holds support. These are the two interpretations. They are both bullish. In simple words, therefore, the 67 cent level is really the key support for both scenarios. I mean, the yellow one will basically be invalidated below 81 cents, but then we're dropping into the support area of the second bullish count. And yeah, from here, third of a third wave rally should take us higher, possibly into the region around 120. Then we get a 4 and a 5. So that's what I'm watching right now. It looks at the moment as if it wants to form directly one more higher high in wave 5. I mean, even then it's possible that it extends. But the thing is then, if we form one more high, it's technically already reached its targets. Now I can say, okay, we have possibly 5 waves up, hasn't reached the targets yet, the overall targets. Therefore, in any pullback, I have to consider that it's just another 1-2 setup. If we reach targets, then pull back, it might already be the long-term top. I hope, or not long-term, but the larger degree third wave here. Yeah. I'll keep you updated anyway, but at the moment we have 2 relevant support areas to watch. Price seems to be again on the move. Yeah, I would not be surprised if it does that 5th wave there more directly, and then we take it from there. $1.07 is the next upside level to watch. $1.07 and $1.12. That's my update about SEI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.